Crap, guys. AMC stock cannot catch a freaking break. Check it out. It's currently around 11:15 a.m. on the East Coast, and AMC stock is down another 1%, which is not really a big deal, but considering how many times it's gone down over the past couple of days, it is a big deal. We're now down $1 from where the stock was a week ago, and now it's on the verge of breaking under $5 a share, which, let's be honest, guys, that is not a good sign. We'll break down the charts in this video, go over what I'm looking to do. Am I buying, selling? What am I doing? So if y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and do not forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo, guys. It is free money. Each of those could be valued up to $2,000 once you open up an account using that link down below, or by going to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. You get one free share of stock right off the bat, and once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And it gets even better. Once you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want to help out the channel and you want some free money, who doesn't like free money? Use that Moomoo link down below. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. So like I said, guys, AMC stock cannot catch a break, and it's been downtrending for the past couple of days, and honestly more than just the past couple of days. If I pull the 10-day chart up, you guys can see pretty much 11 days at this point since they reported earnings, this stock has been going down and down and down, making lower highs after lower lows after lower highs. I mean, you guys can see it seems like, yeah, pretty much every day we've taken out the lows from the previous day, over the past 10, 11 days here. You guys can see again from $6.20 after earnings. Now we're on the verge of going under $5 a share. We're officially down roughly 18%, 19%, almost putting us in a bear market since the earnings report, which wasn't that bad at all. In fact, it was pretty decent, at least in my opinion. And on top of that, we have a death cross here on the 10-day chart. We're trading under the moving averages, both the 50 and the 180 SMAs. It is not the best sign overall for AMC. And if we pull up the 20-day chart, hold on, guys, look at this. We are now approaching a major level of support. I'm telling you guys, $5 flat is massive here for AMC, and you guys can see on this 20-day time frame, we are also seeing a death cross, and we're also under the moving averages. But one thing worth mentioning is, guys, for the bulls, this is actually a pretty good sign. We are very oversold on the RSI, and we're arguably getting a bullish divergence on the RSI as well. Do you guys see this down here? We're starting to get higher highs, higher lows on the RSI as at the same time as AMC's stock is making lower lows and lower highs. That could indicate maybe, just maybe, a shift in momentum at some point in the future here in the very short term. We're not getting the confirmation yet, but we're starting to see some signs. We're starting to see maybe some signs of a turnaround here, starting off again with that RSI bullish divergence. Now, all we have to see is if buyers actually come in at $5, $5.10, pretty much where we are now, which I'm not too convinced that we're going to get that quite yet, because again, we're not seeing the confirmation of that quite yet. And by the looks of it, if we pop the 5-day, 5-minute and zoom in a little bit, the lows from yesterday were right around 508, 510 roughly. We actually had 503 at one point right when the markets opened yesterday. We're pretty much at those lows now, and by the looks of it, this might take out those lows. By the looks of it, it might take out the lows and go under $5, which in that case, we could be going down even lower. You guys can see back in the end of April, we hit roughly 465, 470, 480. That's where this could be going if we were to take out the lows from yesterday, which, let's be honest, guys, we're right there. We're about to do that, and I'm not being a doomsdayer. I'm not a hater of AMC or any of the meme stocks or the Wall Street bet stocks. I'm not a hater at all. I'm just here giving it to you guys how it is, being honest, and breaking down the charts the way I'm seeing them. And if we do start to reverse, I'll break that down as well. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the good old content here on the Stas Talk Stocks channel. And by the way, I have a second channel, Stas Talks Money, which, if you guys didn't know, I'm actually doing a $100 giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So go down below, make sure to subscribe to Stas Talks Money. We have a lot of content on there as well. More, personal finance oriented, not so much stock market oriented. So if you guys want to get in on that channel, Stas Talks Money, and you want to be a part of that giveaway, make sure to go subscribe to my second channel as well. So at this point, guys, what I'm really waiting for is, again, to see if buyers come in at the bottom of this channel on the 4-hour time frame. If I zoom in here on the 4-hour time frame, guys, we are right now at the bottom of this channel, and we're pretty much holding, actually no, we're not holding the 180 SMA anymore. This is not a good sign for the bulls. Earlier, yesterday, I believe, last week, the end of last week, we did close above the 180 SMA on this 4-hour chart, but now we're starting to fall under it, as you guys can see here in real time. That's not the best sign at all, but we are holding the channel, even though we are starting to fall under the 180 SMA. But really, this is it for AMC stock, for the bulls. Not for forever, but at least in the short term, this is the moment of truth, because if we fall under, I mean, we're already under the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, but now if we fall under the channel here, and we start taking out the lows from the end of April being 465, 470, now we're going to start seeing a big leg down. Now we're talking a move maybe back down to the lower fours, maybe the threes again. I'm not saying for sure we're going to go to the threes, but all I know for sure is if we break the channel, it is not going to be good at all for the bulls. That's my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, as always, and run that like button up. Hit that like button. Let's try and get as many likes as possible here on this video. So that's a quick update here on AMC. We're still trading in this channel, and the stock just keeps on falling day after day after day. Now we just have to wait and see if buyers come in, and maybe that bullish divergence on the 20-day chart plays out. We have to wait and see if it does. Time will tell here on AMC Entertainment. And again, their earnings were pretty good. We covered them about a week ago, 10 days ago, guys, when they came out, and we got news that they had one of their best, or if not the best weekend over Easter weekend. There's a lot of big movies that came out that attracted a lot of people, and, over the summer, I think we're going to get, more volume into these theaters. There's a lot of good movies coming out. I think movie theaters in general, sure, they've died down over the years, but they're not, going anywhere. So from a fundamental standpoint, I think AMC is going to be all right. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they go bankrupt. I don't know. But I think they're going to be okay. We have to see how they execute, of course, but they are slowly starting to turn things around post-pandemic. Sure, during the pandemic, they were freaking screwed, like a lot of companies were, that required people to come in, like restaurants, service-based industry, right? Did not do well at all, but we're past that. We're post-pandemic now, and we'll see how this company does, react over the next couple of quarters, next couple of years, and we'll see how the stock does, guys. Because now, I mean, you could argue it's back to its fundamental value. Maybe not completely. I don't know. I mean, some people think AMC's worth $1, $2, but you could argue $5 is the fair value for this stock. What I can tell you for sure is $72 was not the fair value for the stock. I mean, that was a complete bubble. But of course, it's popped since then. Now we're back to $5, and you could make a legitimate argument that this, anywhere from $3 to $4 to $5 is a decent play. I mean, I don't know, at least in my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe, and again, don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to also get your free money from Moomoo, up to 15 stocks, each up to $2,000. All you got to do is use that link down below, or go to stassurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up an account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat. And once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And listen to this, once you fund your account with at least $1,000, guys, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link, and you might as well get 12 more stocks from Webull. I mean, it's more free money. Why not? You can get those stocks with any amount deposited. So check out that Webull link. And also, if you want to, guys, hey, you might as well check out my Patreon as well. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Good luck out there. These markets are crazy. I'll see you later.